In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change host Calendly. Whether you're managing meetings for a team or juggling different hosts for one-on-one sessions, knowing how to assign the right host in Calendly is an essential skill. This simple adjustment ensures that your meetings are properly organized, notifications go to the correct person, and everything runs smoothly. If you're new to Calendly, it's a fantastic scheduling tool that simplifies booking for individuals and teams alike. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now let's dive into the steps. To begin, head over to the Calendly homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. This is where all your scheduling options and settings are located. Now look at the upper left corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on it. This button allows you to create new events, which is the starting point for setting up a meeting with a specific host. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a meeting type. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the one-on-one option, so select that from the list. This is perfect for setting up individual meetings, and it's one of the most commonly used formats on Calendly. Once you make your selection, a pop-up window will appear on the right side of your screen. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. This is where you'll configure the details of your meeting. Now, within this pop-up, scroll down until you find a section labeled Host. This is the area where you'll designate who will lead the meeting. In the Host section, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that menu to reveal a list of available contacts or team members who can be assigned as hosts. Depending on how your account is set up, you might see a mix of individual team members or shared email addresses here. From the drop-down, select the person you want to assign as the host for this meeting. This step is critical because it ensures that all meeting invitations, notifications, and updates are tied to the correct individual. Once you've chosen the desired host, confirm your selection by clicking directly on their name or email address in the list. You'll know you've done this correctly when their name appears as the selected host in the drop-down field. Before moving on, take a moment to verify that the meeting details have been updated to include the new host. Double-check that the host name or email is displayed correctly. This is important because any errors here could cause scheduling conflicts or miscommunications later on. Ensuring accuracy now saves you from potential headaches down the line. And that's it. You've successfully changed the host for your meeting in Calendly. This process not only keeps your meetings well organized, but also ensures that everyone involved gets the right notifications and reminders. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.